Let me show you how you can set up a simple AI agent that will take care of scheduling appointments and picking up your free time and sending that to your clients so that they can schedule appointments effectively. So we are going to use Make to set this up. So you know the drill already. Sign up on make.com for free and click on create scenario, and that's how you're going to get this dashboard that you're currently on. So our first module is going to be the WhatsApp module because, like I said, we're going to be building this to work for WhatsApp. So anytime a customer reaches out, a client rather reaches out on WhatsApp, if that's your like your basic space for communication, because it is for a lot of people. Like the emails, we keep it professional there. We keep it professional there, but then WhatsApp, we also use that to have like one-on-one, heartfelt conversations, or more, want to use the word intimate conversations with our clients, like it should be. So we want it to go into our WhatsApp every time our client asks us, oh, when can I book a meeting with you? When are you free for an appointment? So we want it to go in the retrieve messages that are like that. Whenever a message like that comes in, we want it to go in there and pick up a message like that, go into our AI agents and pick up our available times and send it to the client so that the client can book the meeting, right? So we are going to be watching for new messages from our WhatsApp, in this case, our 360 WhatsApp, because I already spoke about why we use this 360 WhatsApp in my previous WhatsApp connection videos, and I also showed you how you can create your 360 WhatsApp connection. So you can also check my page for that. So for this, we are going to be going with our connection that still works, I hope. So we save this and we save this. The next module that we want is going to be the module that's the AI module, the AI agent module that's going to take care of generating the message and response for us. So we come here to make AI agent and then we run an agent. So of course you pick your model here, whatever works for you. Let's just do medium, right? So the instructions here, you need to make sure that it's as detailed as it needs to be. So that's why personally to me, I like to use ChatGPT. So let's come here, and this is the prompt I have. I want to build an AI agent to take care of booking appointments with my clients. It will go into my Google Calendar and set free days and resolve that in a message to my client. This message will be sent on WhatsApp. Please draft the best instructions. Draft the best instructions for this agent for me. Just okay. The agent role. Describe the agent role, how we should behave, define its goals, steps it should take, and any rules it should follow to do its job. So I send that into my ChatGPT. So we provide the instructions here, which I really don't agree with some of these things I'm saying here. But let's go in and we're going to edit that. So we have that, and we can simply save that. The input here, sorry, is going to be, let's go back into so client underscore name. I think I want to do client's phone number and client's message. Mm. So we want to do client's phone here, and then we save it. Oh, I didn't put the model here. So I save this and I always save the entire scenario. So the next thing I need here is to add a tool. That's my Google Calendar that is going to go in and search for my free time. So you do this and then you come down to free or busy time. And then you, of course, establish your connection. And then you let your agent decide. And then you save this. So you create your last module, which is going to be the module that sends the response. So it's going to send this response, and then the phone number is going to be who it came from. So you save this and you save this. So we want to set up a filter here. Like I did say, this is going to be for appointments. So we want it to include things like I want to book an appointment, I want to book a meeting, all those kind of things. So we call this book meeting, which is going to be that so we want to say that our condition here, which is going to be the chat here, content, say appointment, and maybe something like meeting. So you do book a meeting and then you click save. But of course, this will depend on what you and your team, work with. So let me try to send a message. I have another device here. So let me try to send a message, or I want to book a meeting, and see the response that I will get. Of course, the response that you get for this thing actually depends on your, how well your instructions were sent and how well the AI agent understands your instructions and all of that. So let's say I run this once. Okay, so it has finally seen it now. Let's see what you're going to get. Okay, so it has seen I can help you schedule your meetings. I need a couple of details to proceed. What is the meeting type slash purpose? The meeting type slash purpose. What the fuck? The, meet, the meeting type slash purpose. Example consultation, onboarding, preferred time. Example this week, next week, and time zone. Nigeria, Lagos should be Berlin time if you are aligning with my calendar. Assuming 30 minutes meetings by default and Nigerian time, I can check the availability for the next 3 to 5 days between 10 a.m. and please confirm meeting time frame and time zone. Once I have this, I will fetch available slots and propose 2 to 4 options. I feel like I don't like the message it's sent. It's sending so many unnecessary things. So let me say I respond with a meeting type here. So the meeting type should be consultation. And then the time frame within these 3 days. So let me send this into the system and see what I will get this time. So I've responded to what he said. This is quite tricky, but let us see what we will get. See, that's the problem. But I need a couple of details to check availability. Which calendar should I check? Calendar ID matches your number, duration 30 minutes. Is that okay? Once you confirm this, I will. No, I don't like that. I want you to only pick my calendar here because to not let it decide. So, okay, so now that we have made that update, I don't like what it did. So let me try to run it again and see if I'm going to get what I want now. So here is the response we got. We got here are two high quality options of ensure they don't fall within business hours and avoid the busy slot on February 15th. That means to telling the person that, oh, I'm busy on February 15th, and I'll be happy to schedule your consultation. Here are the few available time slots. It mentioned this and it said, please let me know which option works best for you. So yeah, so this is a simple system that you can set that will take care of pulling your available time slots and sending that to your customers so that they can book times that you're available instead of going back and forth. And this is even better that it works perfectly on WhatsApp, so you don't have to stick to the professional email way. You can simply just have one-to-one, conversations and hearts with your customers on WhatsApp and still be able to schedule meetings with them without lifting a finger. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and I'm going to see you in my next one. So bye bye.